Amazon Polly Review Usage Experience. Amazon Polly is an advanced text-to-speech (TTS) service designed for developers and businesses looking to add natural-sounding speech to their applications. This tool leverages AI and deep learning to convert text into lifelike speech, supporting over 60 languages and a variety of voices, including male, female, and child tones. What sets Polly apart is its focus on realism and flexibility. Users can customize speech output with features like Speech Synthesis Markup Language, SSML, to control asks like pitch, volume, and pronunciation. Designed primarily for content creators, app developers, e-learning platforms, and accessibility services, Amazon Polly bridges the gap between written content and engaging audio experiences. The user interface is straightforward, allowing even beginners to quickly get started. For developers, Polly integrates seamlessly via APIs, making it highly adaptable for diverse use cases like generating voiceovers, creating interactive bots, or powering IoT devices. Polly also offers two premium features, Neural TTS, NTTS, for enhanced voice quality and the ability to stream audio directly. In my testing, the NTTS voices sounded impressively human, ideal for professional-grade applications such as virtual assistants or audiobooks. One of Polly's standout features is its cost efficiency, with pay-as-you-go pricing that suits businesses of all sizes. You can generate up to 5 million characters per month for free during the first year, a generous allowance for testing and small-scale projects. The audio files are downloadable in MP3 or OGG formats, and the platform supports real-time streaming, making it versatile for live use cases. However, it's not perfect. While the voice library is expansive, some voices can still sound robotic in complex sentences, especially without careful SSML tuning. Additionally, if you're not a developer, some of the API functionalities might feel overwhelming. That said, with some practice or by using Polly's console, even non-technical users can produce professional results. In conclusion, Amazon Polly is an excellent TTS tool for anyone who needs high-quality, customizable speech synthesis. Its advanced features, multilingual support, and competitive pricing make it a leader in its field. If you're a developer, content creator, or business owner seeking to elevate user engagement with voice, Polly is worth exploring.